Good morning class. Today we are going to discuss about the types of capital market. So there are two main component of capital market. First one is primary market and second one is secondary market. First primary market, and the other alternative name of this is new issue market. Primary market is also known as new issue market, as in this market securities are sold for the first time. That is, new securities are issued from the company. Primary market directly contribute in capital formation, because in primary market company goes directly to the investor and utilize this fund for investment in building, plant, machinery, etc. Yes, it is very common thing. We earlier also discussed that when company issue its securities for the first time, then it is issued in primary market, and generally the amount raised from the primary market is invested in the purchasing of building and plants and machineries. The primary market does not include finance in form of loan from the financial institution, because when loan is issued from the financial institution, it implies converting private capital into public capital, and this process of converting private capital into public capital is called going public. Yes, it is also very common thing that in the primary market we cannot raise loan from the financial institution. The common securities issued in the primary market are equity share, debenture, bond, preference share, and other innovative securities. Again, we know it very well. Then method of flotation of security in primary market. Simple way, how can we issue security in primary market? So there are different methods. First method is public issue through prospectus. First method is through prospectus we can issue our security in primary market. So what happens in this method? Under this method, company issue a prospectus to inform and attract general public. In prospectus, company provide detail about the purpose for which funds are being raised, past financial performance of the company, background and future prospect of company. The information in the prospectus help the public to know about the risk and earning potential of the company, and accordingly they decide whether to invest or not in that company. Through IPO, company can approach large number of persons and can approach public at large. Sometimes company involve intermediaries such as banker, broker, and underwriter to raise capital from general public. Yes, it is very common method of issuing securities in primary market. You know it very well what is prospectus, and all these things we have already discussed in previous classes and last year also. Second offer for sale. So what happens in offer for sale? Under this method, new securities are offered to general public, but not directly by the company, but by the intermediary who buy whole lot of securities from the company. Generally, the intermediary are the firm of broker. So sale of security takes place in two steps. First, when the company issues security to the intermediary at face value, and second, when intermediary issue the securities to general public at higher price to earn profit. Under this method, company is saved from the formalities and complexities of issuing security directly to public. Yes, this is also very good option. Then that when company does not want to involve in the issuing of the security and don't want to follow all the formalities, what company does, it sell the whole lot of the security to a mediator. Clear? And that mediator issue the security on behalf of the company. So selling take place in two parts. First, company will sell the lot to the intermediary, and second, intermediary sell the lot to the public. So this is another method of issuing सिक्योरिटीज इन प्राइमरी मार्केट. ओके, आई होप आपको समझ में आया होगा. नेक्स्ट मेथड हम लोग नेक्स्ट क्लास में डिस्कस करेंगे. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच.